guys, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to remove a background from an image using the quick selection tool. So let's get started. Choose whatever picture you like and upload it into Photoshop. Now drag the background layer and make a copy of it. Create a new layer by clicking on the new layer button. Change the name of the layers as you like. We named ours Picture 1 and Background. Now with the background layer selected, go and grab the Paint Bucket tool to fill the background with a color. You will notice how the whole background will turn white. Select the background layer and move it down. With the Quick Selection tool selected, make a selection around your image. When you finish selecting, hit the right click on your mouse and select Select and Mask, or just hit the Select and Mask button. Your background will turn red. Don't worry, this is just a mask. But make sure it indicates the masked areas so you can work better on it. In the left panel, click the Refine Edge Brush tool. Paint every imperfection out so you can get a perfect result. After finishing, change your output to New Layer with Layer Mask. Click OK. And there it is! You have perfectly cut out your image. Okay, to be honest, it looks a little bit boring with the white background, so I'll add now a random background I found on Google. So that's it guys. If you like this video, go and hit the like button and make sure you have subscribed.